Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see the SquadX features and functionality and how do you register and run auctions on SquadXPro. So first we press on get started. It will forward you to our application. Here you need to put your mobile number. I put mine, and once you do that, it will check for your profile. If you're new, it will directly send you an OTP on your mobile number, and you need to enter your mobile OTP and verify your mobile number. Once you verify your mobile, you need to create your account. Here, what you can do, you can create your John Doe, add your email address, and then you have to put organization, John organization, and the name which your event is gonna run with, and then you select the team. How many number of teams here you need to put for a demo? I'll just put one. If you have a coupon, you can add a coupon and make an online payment. Let me make an online payment and come back to you. Once the payment is successfully completed, it will take you to the organization page, and here you say your payment has been received. Your organization and event will automatically be approved. So here it takes a little while to get the system to check the payment and get the approval. You can continue to the dashboard and refresh this page after 5 minutes, and you will be able to see your event. For now, it is not showing the event. It will take 2 to 5 minutes. So after you refresh the page after 5 minutes, you will see your account, your dashboard. So you have an organization owner view, then event organizer view, and your profile view. So let's go to event organizer and then click on event management, manage event, and then you go to event settings. So in the event settings, you can add your date of the event, the registration when the registration starts, and the location and all that. So let's say I updated it with 14th April, and the registration start from tomorrow, 18th April, and you can upload your logo, and then you have an option to resize it. Let's say for demo, I just resize it like this, and then you can upload your banner. These are optional, by the way. You can do this later on the stage as well. Here you can add your eligibility for the people who go and register for the event, and you can also upload a payment screenshot which you have done during online or a manual payment. So here you can upload that screenshot and press on save settings. The settings will be updated here, and below here you can structure the event how you want. So let's say the sports is cricket, number of team is 4. You can't, as per your plan, you can't add more than 4. You can reduce it though, but yeah, you can't add more teams than that. Maximum player can be 20, so you can have 20 players for each this thing. So even a player, so this is automatic. Whenever you update, it updates by itself. So here we have a match settings, how many overs is gonna be, and how it's gonna be played. So this is at the moment just for your references, but it's not being used in the system. So for budget currency, this is the important section which you need to pay attention, whether you want to run the event as a money or as in point. So many people they run it as a point or as in money. So you can select it any of them. So if you select points, then you can allocate the symbol which are going to be used for the points and the number of the points which you need to put for each team. Let's say we put 1000 for each team, so that will be updated. And after that, if you select money, then you need to select the currency, which currency you want the event to be. And let's say if you're selecting Indian rupees, so you can have a numbering system where you can have in lakh, thousand, lakhs, and crores. And if you select Western, it will be in 2000 millions, like that, in a Western terminology. So once you do that, you can have the categories of the player and the base point for each category. You can add them. Then bidding increment. So in bidding increment, what you have to do is you have to decide how you're going to run your auction. So in our case, from 1 to till 3000 points, we're going to increase 1000. And after the 3000, it will be 5000. So that's how the increment works. You can add another increment. Like, for example, you want the increment of 5000 till, let's say, 1 lakh. So till 1 lakh, it will be it will increase by 5000, and from 1 lakh, it will be 10,000. So that's how it's gonna increase in your bid. That's the logic you can set. We have some functionality like fortune wheel, where you can have one player assigned to a team. Like, for example, if you have 8 teams, so one of the 8 players can be assigned to each team as a fortune player. So that setting you can do it. For player registration and payment system, basically there are a few settings which you can have. Like, for example, this is the registration progress bar, which comes on the your event registration page. So you can have that thing, and you can also allow registration waiting list. So if the registration is full, you can allow waiting list, or you can just close the registration if you want. And if you're allowing waiting list, you can allow how much waiting list you can have. In this case, we just have 25. You can add your registration fees of the event. So you can add your registration fee and the currency. So that's the fees and everything for the player. You can also add team registration fee, the amount, and the payment details and instructions. And for both of these, for team, it's more of a direct approach, but for the players and everything, you can add a payment QR code in the registration page. So anybody who's making the registration, they can make payments to those QRs. You can have multiple QRs of 1, 2, 3, 4, however QR you want, or maybe bank details you want to add. We have 3 options here. So we have bank detail, UPI ID, or QR code. QR code is usually used by all, and it's very convenient. So you can have them. And whoever makes the payment, they have to upload a screenshot, and then you can verify it in your backend whether the payment is done, or payment is legitimate or not. There are some streaming options where you can add your sponsors' logos. So that's the complete overview of how you can set up your tournament. You can come and update these settings however you like, and start running an auction event. Thank you.